Good morning, guys, from a 0-degree Super Bowl Sunday morning here at Mountain Creek. Now, guys, we once again have a living legend, a celebrity. Some people call him Don Johnson, while others mistake him for the reincarnation of Tony Montana. But we have the one, the only, the Fabio. We're gonna be hitting Mountain Creek. We're gonna be hitting Mountain Creek hard. We got the wifey somewhere back there. So guys, this is gonna be a great morning. We are gonna be going hard. Let's go. Oh my God, he's the Fury! Holy shit! And the wifey's dancing! Exactly! Fabio too! Exactly! It's probably hypothermia, but who cares? We're having fun.
You ready? You sure?
You ready,
Fabio, if you crash into her, and then crashes into me, I'll unleash Mr. Fury on you.
Be together, okay?
No, he does this every time. Oh my God! He's like a friggin' missile! Holy jeez! The final holiday weekend of the winter coming up, obviously President's Day. Myself and the wifey will be doing a nice Vermont, New Hampshire combo ski trip. We are definitely looking forward to that. And like I always say, guys, remember, every day is a blessing, even when your entire face and body are numb. And don't you ever forget to enjoy life.